In the name of who, good morning to all of you, wherever you are in the world. We are in Sydney, Australia. Time now is 6:58 a.m., almost 7 a.m. Date is Tuesday, 5th of September 2023. This is the part 1 for the Bitcoin. I find a level for you guys again for the Bitcoin for selling. And in this video I'm going to explain about our system, unlike the future of your trading, with our remarkable simple system, and I go dive into the details for you guys in a simple language that I can say. Before I say anything, please pause the video and read this, and I go to the chart. In the name of who, I'm going to the chart and I explain to you guys. So first I find your level. This one, as you can see, we have red dot and we have arrow, red arrow, we have green arrow, and also we have green dot. So what does it mean, all this? When we have red arrow, when we have red ball or red point, these are actually hidden support and resistance in past. I have to mention this. Forget about this moving average, 60 moving average. I use this one, this indicator, only for another system that I do. But this system that we do, we have only 2 indicators, nothing else. We have hidden support and resistance, and also we have signal. So this 2 indicator is not on any broker's platform. My business partner, he developed this 2 indicator. He's a genius guy, and according to the pattern from past, and also according to the volume, according to the how many pending order and how many people are actually at the time doing trading, there are so many calculations, so many data on behind of these 2 indicators that he actually put them together. I'm not saying that everything is 100% perfect. Nothing in this world, especially in forex chart or forex trading or any crypto trading, nothing 100%, because sometimes you crash with the red news and some other news that we are not aware of that, and then the market would go opposite the way that we want. So but we minimize our trading and we try to trade in a profit way. Hopefully that is the way we trade, and that's why I want to explain to you guys all in details for you guys. So when we have red ball or red dot, this is hidden support and resistance in past. Okay, according to those levels we can make the trading, but the way we do is this. I find a level for you guys. For example, this one was on Friday, if you remember. I'm not going to explain about this because it's already done, finished. If you watch our video, I mentioned about this part 1 in this video, so I'm not going to repeat about this, what happened. This is history. So that's all done, finished, and I was correct for this as well. But what I'm saying is this: when you have red arrow, red ball here like this, imagine this candlestick. So we know that we are going to sell the market. What we do, under this level, under this candlestick, which is got a dot, okay, we put the horizontal line, and we know this is selling because we have red dot. And the rule is this: I don't care how far this price goes above this purple color, I don't care. I wait for the price coming under it, past this purple color, coming under it, and then when it comes under it, we need to see it goes goes up again, okay, to the selling zone, and then if we get the arrow like this one around this area, we can sell it to this level. Okay, as you can see, I marked this one for you. I'm talking about this candlestick. So the price when above it, coming under it, when it comes under this one, the first things we have to watch is this. We need to see the price goes up again, alright, to the selling zone area. We get the arrow in this area, then we can sell it. So as you can see here, I did not get any red arrow to here because sometimes the indicator missed out because so many calculation going through, and then we missed out. But as experience, I know for the fact that when I see this candlestick, this huge candlestick when opening here, okay, when it's opening here, price went right up to here, and the seller pushed the price back down to this level. So although I did not have any red arrow, I know is something gonna happen and hit this level. Okay, I can go one time frame up, which normally I do not do that. I don't do that because we stick with one time frame. When I'm recording, I use 50 minutes time frame. But if I'm not recording, I can use any time frame, 1 hour, daily, weekly, 2 hours, 5 minutes, whatever. So every time frame, this indicator is unique for that time frame. Okay, it's not only because some of the trader, what they do, they check the 4 hours chart and then they go to 1 hour or they go to 50 minutes. That's the system they use. So that's the way they do. But we have those two software, two indicator, and those indicator that we have, it gives us the level on that time frame. For example, if we say 15 minutes, I'm not going to jump to 4 hours or 1 hour. But however, when I see there is no arrow appear here and I see this candlestick, I know something is going to happen. So what I do, I go one time frame up to 20 minutes, okay, and I see this arrow is here, okay, but it's too late because one we got on the 20 minutes and this is too late. But I see another arrow appears on the 20 minutes time frame, and then you can see price coming on and hit a level. And then again, let me go back to 50 minutes time frame. If I enter to the trade, imagine, let me put this on for you guys. When we go to 20 minutes, look at this one. Look at the arrow here, right? And then we say, okay, time to sell. You put your stop loss above here. You go back to 15 minutes, and then we put the stop loss above this one. Make it red color. And the way I trade is this. We enter to the trade in here. We put a stop loss here. Closest resistance. I can't see any closest, so this is the closest one. So if the price go up against my direction and pass this virtual stop loss, you just put this one to give you warning about the stop loss. If you put your stop loss, it would hit 70-80% would hit and go back to the way that you wanted, and you say, what happened, why? Anyway, if the price goes above here, and imagine this is the candlestick, let me check change the color to green. Imagine this is the price went up past this You do not get panic to close a trade. No. What you should do, because you are in the 15 minutes time frame, the next candlestick appear here. So if this next candlestick, the color of this candlestick, no matter what size, if it's a small, if it's big, if it's like this, no matter what, if this color still is green, immediately you close your trade in loss. From here to here you lose, but you have to wait the 15 minutes time frame mature, because don't rush. In 15 minutes many things happening, price keep going up and down, up down. So when this 15 minutes is over and this candlestick settle and it's green, then you'd close it in loss. But if this color, this candlestick finish and end up like this, red, still you are in the trade, and then you do not close the trade, and then keep continue. If you want, and if you are greedy, you can enter again with a small contract or whatever money management you have. But if you don't have enough money, don't take the risk. Just let it come through and it would hit. Okay. So this is the way for the stop loss, and this is the way for the selling. Alright, let me delete this, and I explain to you guys about how we do for buying. As you can see here, let me delete this one for you guys. I find a level for you guys. Where was that level? This one. Let me check this. Okay. Okay. This one, this candlestick, this level. Let me check the color to my favorite one, which is purple color, shows on the background of the tan color. This is for selling. The price is 100. What I do is this. I will wait for this price coming past this purple color, coming to selling zone, and then I wait for the arrow, red arrow, to sell it. This is for you guys. This is the new level I'm giving you right now. And that is the level. So we need to see the price coming up past this level of selling zone, this purple color, coming to the selling zone area, and when we get the arrow, like this little arrow here, in this area, we can sell it. This is the level I'm giving you right now. Okay. Alright, that is for future trading for Bitcoin. Another things I have to mention for you, because as I said to you, I'm going to explain everything on details for you guys. Beware of this ask price and bid price. Okay, you know, these two line, this is live chart, by the way. This is not offline, and time now in Sydney is 7:12 a.m. This is asking price and bid price, and if these two lines close to each other, this is the best time if you are trading to enter to the market, because you pay less commission to the broker. When these two lines apart from each other, market is volatile for some reason. Is it red news, or is the beginning or finishing day of any section? For example, now New York close and Asia market Sydney time would be open, and normally these two lines apart from each other. The market is volatile. Some people, they like to trade on the beginning of the London opening or New York opening, and they have the system. Good luck to them. I don't use those systems, but this one, it shows you how much commission you have to pay to the broker. The best time is when these two line on top of each other, then you pay less commission. If you don't know what is this, you go to the property, okay, you go to show, you can see here it says bid price, ask price. If you untick this one, these two lines would be disappear, and then you don't know how much commission do you pay to the brokers. You see, if I just say okay, these are disappear. And if I want to trade, then if there is red news, or if it's beginning or finishing section of any Asia market or London or New York, then you lose money. You have to have this one on your chart. So you tick them, ask price and bid price, and plus the color. You can choose any color, bid price, blue, or ask price, red, or any color you can choose. You go through the color section and then you choose it. Okay, now this is for the level I give it to you. We need to see the price go up to this area and then we can set it. Let me explain about buying, how we can actually do the buying one. Let me find one green one. Let me see for the Bitcoin. Unfortunately, because there are so many, the Bitcoin is in not good shape. It's very volatile. Let me change the color just to make you understand better, not confuse. Okay, this is for green, this is for buy. As you can see, in this we got a green dot. When we have green dot, we are going to buy. So what we need to do is opposite what we do for selling. We need to see the price above this horizontal line, okay, and we need to see the price coming under it and get the arrow to buy. But this one is very small margin. Again, as you can see here, if you remember, I was explaining about the stop loss, how happening. This one, if I enter to the trade, because we had arrow here to this level, I will wait for this candlestick. This is red and this is red, so immediately I would close it in loss, and then I will wait for another arrow for recovery. Either you double your contract or whatever money management you have for your stop loss. Anyway, I'm not going to go through that. It's all up to you, because I don't know how much money you're going to put your account. So imagine we enter to the trade here and we lose this much. Okay, we got another arrow, we put the stop loss under here and we enter to the trade, which normally I do double contract to recover plus the profit. As you can see, price went up and hit this level that I was expecting. That is for buying. I hope I made it clear for you guys what I was talking about. And let me delete this one. So my daughter dog is barking. Sorry, I need to go and look after him. So hopefully when the price goes up past this this horizontal line, which is for selling zone, coming to this area, we get the arrow and then we sell it. Then I make the second video for you guys for part 2 of the Bitcoin. Before I go, in the name of who, please pause the video and read this, and please look after yourself and your family, as I always say. I hope I explained it clear for you. I don't know, maybe I don't do this. I'm not a teacher. I try to pass my experience and through the technology that these days we have, and the indicator that my partner made. I find a level and also give you level free of the charge, and we give you signal free of the charge, and you try it on your demo account. We are not after your money. We are not selling any software or indicator. We are not asking you for email, telephone number, your membership, nothing. It's all up to you. If you like to learn how to trade, you watch our video, you go to our channel. We got Instagram, we got Facebook. You can join our Telegram group in here, and then you will see and you will get a notification for the signal and level free of the charge, and we don't charge you nothing. So it's all up to you. In the name of who, I'm going to close this video. Yahoo! Thanks for watching. Done. Finish.